Welcome to the Zorb EMF protection products. This is the 5G personal protection kit, an absolute must-have in this current environment that we are in with EMF pollution, 5G and all kinds of other things. The first item in the kit is the Shungite bracelet. The Shungite helps absorb harmful EMFs that are in the environment. The other item it comes with is the Scalar energy pendant. The Zorb Scalar energy pendant is comprised of a lava compound that has 71 different minerals in it, and it is structurally bonded using nanotechnology, so it helps repel the harmful EMFs that are in the environment. The other item in the kit is the Shungite water stick to go. This is an absolute must-have as well. Now this contains Shungite stones as well as alkalizing beads to mineralize and alkalize your water. You just put it in for 10-15 minutes in your water container and then drink away. Great for emergency purposes. The other item that we have in the kit is the Super Zorb. The Super Zorb is 5 times larger than the regular Zorb for the phone disc. Now the Super Zorb can be used in your pocket for when you're traveling. It can also for added protection, and can also be put in your electric car as well as a smart TV or on your Wi-Fi router. So it helps absorb. And then the final item is the Zorb cell phone disc. This is for great protection. It helps absorb 90%, up to 90% of the harmful EMFs that come out of your phone. And the Zorb cell phone protection disc can also be placed on your monitor or a smaller device like your laptop, a baby monitor, your iPad, and so forth. So be sure to get your kit today, be safe, and absorb it.